Hi, Internet friends. It's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. This is kind of an off the topic tech tip on Zoom meetings. Have you ever thought about adding your own custom background? I created this kitchen with Chief Architect in real-time ray tracing, and it looks pretty cool. So I thought I would copy it over to my, I'm on a Windows 11 PC, Documents, Zoom, and just copied it here so that it's available in my background. To change this background, you go to the video button here, and I'm hitting the up arrow, and I can choose my virtual background. When doing that, I have backgrounds and effects option selected here, and you can scroll down right here, this plus, add an image or video. And I'm going to add an image. And I've done this previously, so it automatically pops up to Documents, Zoom, and there's the file that I want to open. Now, I've already done this once, so I don't need to click open, but you would go ahead and click open, and you've got the option right there as your Zoom background. That can be kind of a little bit of a promotion for what you do. It's a cool picture, it's a cool design, and it's a really cool light fixture to share. So there's a fun little quick tip for you on Zoom virtual backgrounds as you're sharing and presenting live meetings. You could be, presenting something for work or doing something personal as well. Hope that helps. Click like and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Thanks.